The Karnataka cabinet has unanimously decided to conduct a new socio-educational survey widely known as the Caste Census. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, addressing reporters after a special cabinet meeting on Thursday, confirmed that the government will consult the Karnataka State Backward Classes Commission and allot 90 days to complete the survey and submit a fresh report. This move comes after the Congress High Command, during a high-level meeting on Tuesday, directed the state government to carry out a new caste enumeration. The decision is meant to address the long-pending concerns of several communities who claim they were excluded from the 2015 survey. Notably, the cabinet was already reviewing the Socio-Educational Survey report submitted earlier, but pressure from the party leadership has now led to a complete re-survey.
Cabinet took a decision today on the socio-economic survey made by Kantraj. Subsequently, Mr. Jaiprakash Hegde was appointed by then BJP government and also nominated the members of the commission. In the meanwhile, Mr. Kumaraswamy was a chief minister of the coalition government. Did not receive the report of the Kantraj, the chairman of the commission. He threatened, as a matter of fact, Mr. Putran Setti, who was then in charge of the backward class minister. Subsequently, BJP came into power through Operation Kamala. Is it not a fact? Absolutely. It is a fact. Operation Kamala, they also did not receive the report. In 2023, we came to power. Again, the Jaiprakash Hegde came to us and submitted a report. We received the report. Since there was a parliament election, it was delayed. And we received in the 2024 February, but it was after the February there was a parliament election. Since there was a parliament election, we could not take up the discussion in the cabinet. We have received and it was placed before the cabinet.
We discussed pros and cons of the
And we have discussed it in detail. In the meanwhile, High Command called myself and D.K. Shivkumar, Mr. Karge, our AICC President, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, leader of the opposition in the parliament, Mr. Venugopal, General Secretary
organization,
Organization, Mr. Surjewala, General Secretary in charge of the Karnataka state, they were all present. They suggested the report was ready and prepared in 2015. Already 10 years are over. According to the section 11 class 1 of the Act, Backward Class Act 1995, it is very clear that after the 10 years period, a new survey is to be conducted. And we have gone through the section 11 of the class 1. It is very clear. So as per the provision of the Act 11 class 1, we have taken a decision in the cabinet. It is an unanimous decision in the cabinet that new survey is to be conducted.